Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download TurboTax online. Alright, so let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Amazon.com. Once the official website opens, make sure to sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Accounts feature located at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open. Inside it, click on your account and a new web page will load. Now, access the Digital Services feature from the right side and wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on the Software and Games tab. Inside it, you will be able to locate the TurboTax app. Simply click on the download button beside it and the download will begin. So that's basically how you can download TurboTax. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.